What's up, everyone, and how is everybody doing out there? Today's going to be a different video. A video that's different from any other video that I might have done or anybody else has done. Today's video, I am going to teach you how to get robbed in the red light district here in Angeles City, specifically the Walking Street, Fields Avenue, and the surrounding area. So let's begin. This is a tutorial on how to get robbed, step by step, where to go, what to do, what to look for, things to say. So let's begin. First of all, what are you going to wear? The key thing is you want to stand out. You want to be noticed by everybody that passes you, everybody that comes around you. You want to be noticed. What do you wear? Do not wear jeans. Do not wear shorts. Do not wear a t-shirt. Do not wear a ball cap. Do not wear sneakers. Do not wear chanillas. You want to dress like $1 million, right? Nice shirt, Pierre Cardin, Louis Vuitton, top of the line. You want to wear the nicest shirt money can buy. Remember now, you are a big baller. Think and dress like a big baller. Wear yourself some nice dress pants. Don't go as far as wearing a suit and tie. It's too hot. Do not wear a tuxedo. Too hot. But you want to dress nice. You want to have a nice pair of shoes, nice pair of dress shoes. Like I said, $1 million. What else? What else should you wear? You want to dress and you want to look like Mr. T going out. You want to have all your gold jewelry around your neck, diamond necklaces, gold necklaces. Make sure it's real. You don't want to walk around with cheap jewelry. You want to have big earrings. You want to have some diamond earrings in your ears. Both of them, if you got 2 ears pierced. You want every single one of your fingers on both hands to be loaded full of jewelry. Exotic diamonds, exotic gemstones. You want to look like Mr. T when you go out, right? You want to look good. Nice, fresh haircut, a nice, fresh shave. You want to look good. I'm going to say that over and over, but that is the key. That is the key to getting robbed, or part of the key to getting robbed. What do you bring with you? What do you bring with you? Now you're dressed up. Now you got all the jewelry on. Now you're ready to go. What do you want to bring with you? I highly recommend that you get yourself a briefcase, a really nice briefcase, expensive briefcase, one that does not have a locking system on it. You want to be able to just flip the latch and access everything and anything. You don't want a locking briefcase. Now, what do you want to put in that briefcase? Multiple things. Definitely your laptop. You want to put your very expensive laptop in there. All right. You also want to put your wallet in there. Your wallet with all your credit cards, ATM cards, ID, everything. You want to put that in the briefcase. Another thing you want to put in the briefcase is your pesos. However much pesos you have, and you better have a lot of pesos exchanged because you're going to go out and you're going to have a good time. Put every single peso you have, even coins, 1 peso coins, throw that in your briefcase. Another thing you want to throw in your briefcase is any extra currency from the country you come from. You want to throw that in there also. 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Make sure that is in that briefcase that does not have a lock on it. Now you might be saying, well, should I put my phone in there? Should I put my phone in there? No, do not put your phone in there. I have a special place for you to put your phone. So now you got everything in there. All your money, all your valuables, your wallet, everything. Close it up. What do I do with my phone? What I want you to do with your phone is, I want you to put your phone, your very expensive phone, in your back pocket. In your back pocket, place it to where 3/4 of the phone is sticking out. All right. You also want to make sure your shirt is tucked in to your pants. Wear a nice belt too. You want to, so everybody while you're walking around can see that exposed expensive phone sticking out of your back pocket. All right. Now you're ready. Now you're ready. You get your jewelry. You look like Mr. T. You're all dressed up. You're fancy. Your hair's combed nice. You're shaved. Everything's all ready to go. What time should you go out? I would recommend going out, I would say, 9 o'clock. Let's go with 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock at night. That's when things are starting to jump. Things are starting to kick off. You want to get there. Like I said, you want everybody to see you. So now you're ready to go. All right. We are going to head to Station 1. Like I said, we're going to hit a lot of stations along the way. And hopefully by the time you're done, you've gotten robbed. So let's head over to Station 1. All right, now you got to get down to what I'm calling Station 1. We're going to do station by station here. How do we get down to Station 1? I highly recommend a grab, a taxi, blue taxi. Do not take a Trike. Do not take a Jeepney. I highly recommend a taxi. Where is Station 1? How do we get down here? You tell your driver where you want to go. You want to go to the walking street. Here it is. Here is Station 1. I'm going to give you some landmarks along this journey. Phillies Sports Bar, Envy's, and then you have Walking Street. You want to come down here to Station 1. Walking Street. This is where you want to start your journey, your big journey. Have your taxi pull up right here, right in front of Envy's. All right. What you want to do is you want to make a grand entrance onto Walking Street. Remember, you are dressed like $1 million. When you get out, everybody will notice you. That is the key. That's one of the keys, is to be noticed, and you will be noticed. Your first club on the right is Club Atlantis. There will be girls standing outside Club Atlantis. There will be girls standing outside all these clubs. They will be whistling to you. They will be calling you in. Honey, come in, come in. We have beautiful girls here. Stay focused. Stay focused. Do not give in to that temptation. Walk yourself right down the center of Walking Street. The key is to be noticed. All right? This will be lit up at night. There will be neon lighting and colorful lighting all through here. Don't get nervous. Don't panic. Just walk. Walk slowly. Do not, once again, do not give in to the temptation of going into the clubs and getting girls. We will get to that point. All right? All right. Then you want to come up here. To this road to the right is A Santos Street. A Santos Street is a key street. Here will be what you want to look for. Club Lucifer. All right. Kokomo's and Masquerades. All right, you want to make a right down a Santos Street is the key. All right, I know you're getting off a walking street, but that's okay. You want to object. You want to complete your mission, right? Your mission of getting robbed. You're going to walk through here. There's going to be trike drivers on the side of the road here asking you for a trike ride. Just say no. Just say no. Just keep walking. It's going to get a little bit dark through here, but that's okay. That's part of the experience. Then you will come to Tequila Reef. At this point in time, we're going to call this Station 2. Station 2. You want to go to Tequila Reef to get yourself something to drink. All right, I recommend the margaritas. A minimum of 4 to 6 margaritas. These are some of the strongest margaritas in the area. All right, where do you want to sit? Where do you want to sit? You do not want to sit inside. All right, you do not want to sit by the door on the outside. Reason being, there's a security guard. You want to sit outside right here on the right. Here's where you want to sit. Right here. Right out here. Let me explain to you why. It's all about increasing your chance, right? It's all about winning that lottery of getting robbed, right? If you sit outside there, make sure you put your phone and everything to the front of the table. Make sure you put your briefcase to the front of the table. All right, that's the key. Also, make sure if you have to use the restroom, you make sure to get up, leave everything out there, and use the restroom. Now, once you're done there, you might be saying to yourself, oh, time to get some girls. Yes and no. It is time to get girls. However, do not go back up to Walking Street. There's where you don't want to get your girls. Let me explain why. Let's walk and talk. The girls from the clubs, the entertainment clubs, all right, if you were to get robbed, which is your intention, you can always go back to the club and say, hey, this girl robbed me, all right? That's not what you want. You want your stuff to be gone down the road, never to be seen again. So therefore, we are going to head down the road here to get our girls. Now, as you walk down the street, you're looking for key places that you want to keep your eye out for. It's not very hard. It's a very easy walk. Now remember, this is going to be a little dark through here. That's what you want. That increases your chances of people hanging out. All right, you will walk by the Wild Orchid Resort. All right, so keep your eye out for that Wild Orchid Resort. One Euphoria will be straight ahead. It's a very tall condominium. So there's where you want to go. You want to keep walking down here. It's about a block or two off of Walking Street. It's very dark through here. Very sketchy. And sketchy is what you're looking for. All right. Now we are coming up on Station 3. Station 3 is where you want to get your girl. All right. You might be saying, why this area? This is where a lot of the freelance girls are. You want freelance girls. All right, that's what you're looking for. Freelance girls. It'll increase your odds of getting what your objective of getting robbed is for. So now we are at Station 3, right here. Station 3. Right there's the Wild Orchid Resort. This is Station 3. Now, this is Johnny Street. Hey, what's up? This is Johnny Street. This is what you're looking for. It's like a square here. You want to walk around this square. Usually there are freelance girls hanging out through here. You don't have to be shy. Most of the times they will come up to you, directly up to you, and they will proposition you. Now, how many girls do you want? How many girls do you want? I am saying you need a minimum of 2 girls. You want 2 girls. That's what you want. You want 2 girls. This is going to also increase your objective of what you want done, which is to get robbed, right? So 2, and I'll explain 2 later on in this video, why you want 2. But keep strolling around here. If you don't see a girl, they will eventually show up. Just keep walking around in this area. Like I said, they will show up. Don't be choosy. Don't be choosy. Just grab, like I said, 2. Make sure you get 2. That's the key. You want 3 or 4, get 3 or 4. But 2's the minimum. Like I said, at nighttime, there will be plenty of freelance girls in this area for you. And they're not just hang out. Just hang out, they will show up. On a scale of 0 to 10, this area and your chances of getting robbed, I'm going to give it a strong at night. At night. Remember guys, we are doing this all at night. I am going to give it a strong 7. A strong 7. The more you wait around this area, the stronger your chances are. So now we are going to head up to Station 4. All right, we are at Station 4. Where is Station 4 located? When you leave a Santos Street and get up to Walking Street, you want to make a right. You want to walk all the way down to the end of Walking Street, the opposite end of where you entered. All right, a couple landmarks. Fiesta here on the right. There will be a big sign right up here that says Mabuhay. To the left will be the Paradise Garden. You want to start your adventure now on Walking Street. You want to start drinking. It's time to drink. All right. Remember now, you got your 2 girls with you. The key here is hit as many bars as you can, all the way up Walking Street. All right. Hit as many bars. Go in there, ring the bell. Buy buckets of ping pongs. You will see ping pongs. You will see pull the rope. Spend as much money as you can in there. Also, let the waitress know you have a little hard time seeing. Why do I say that? Because you never know. You might get overcharged because you can't see the bill. So, start your journey here. This is pretty self-explanatory. However, do not let your girls leave your side. The 2 you picked up. And also, you have to listen to this. Do not pick up any of the girls. Do not bar fine any of the girls. All right? You don't want that. They are going to be tempting you left and right. Do not do it. So this is pretty self-explanatory. Work your way up Walking Street. Do not eat at any of the restaurants. Refrain from going and eating at any of the restaurants. We will get to eating a little bit later in this video. So there it is. Enjoy yourself on Walking Street. Have a good time. Like I said, the key is to be noticed. That's your objective. So off to Station 5.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark?